Hello, this is Nathan from Ben and Nathan's Tech Stop, and today I'm going to show you the Windows Phone 7 demo that Ben posted about in the week. I've never really used. I've had a look at a Windows Phone, never used one in depth. So this is all new to me. Bear in mind this is a demo Windows or Microsoft, have put together to see if you like Windows Phone. So it's going to be you're not going to get the full features. It's just some little small things. We will skip the calendar because I had a problem with it when I had a quick go on it before now. So we'll forget that. But we can start with phone, which will bring up a dialer. And because it's a demo, a trial, we're directed by blue blobs and scrolly animation-y things to show you what you can and can't do. Well, what we can do is call Michelle Alexander. So if we were on our phone, we would be calling Michelle now, and then you have the option to encore. I guess a picture would be in this blank space here, a number pad and a button to get rid of everything. What we're going to do, these buttons at the bottom, on an actual handset would be physical. So there's a back, Windows, which is home, and search, near enough like the Android thing. So that's the phone dialer. The people application is quite good, actually, from what I saw. So it unifies all accounts. So in here there are emails, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, okay? Michelle Alexander's the focus from Microsoft on this. It's a family, I think, okay? So if we want to comment or anything on this Facebook post that was an hour ago, you click on the plus. Pretty simple. I can thumb up it now by clicking this. And then you can obviously add comments and all the rest of it back. That's all that we can do. You click all accounts here, and it shows you these are things that you can have in this unified inbox. Excuse me. You can have Windows Live, that's an email. You can have Windows Live, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn accounts. It wants me to click on Facebook, so I will. And it wants me to click on Michelle Alexander. This now brings up another view where I can look at just her accounts in one place, which this is actually really quite good. So we scroll across to the right and it will show me her picture albums, however many she has. It will probably have a Twitter one, but this is obviously, as I said, the demo. And the next one is history, tells her what she's done today, whether she's emailed you, which she has, called you, or messaged you, whether that be a text, I think, or a Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn thing, or a Hotmail, Windows Live job. That's her profile. This is all a little bit weird now because it's got someone else's name. Ignore that. And then we can go back home. Messaging, as you'd expect, it's text messaging in series, so with the person listed, yours and theirs replies. It's pretty standard now on any OS. There are threads. It doesn't work properly sometimes. I don't quite know why. That's people that are online, none. And there's our threads. So let's go back on Michelle Alexander. They're threads. Sorry, that's what they are, not series. Click on her name, and these are the text messages she sent you. Via text, Facebook, and another text. So they're obviously colour coded, and it tells you what you're getting. Click on this one down the bottom there that was flashing, and it gives you switch to her. You can switch to Hotmail or Facebook applet, and you can scroll. Okay, you can't scroll, but then we can go home. Next up is the Outlook, the email, the default email software, which is a unified inbox which can have many accounts in it. It wants us to click down here, which says link inboxes. He's already got an Exchange email account, David Alex at contoso.net. You can add a Hotmail, a Yahoo, and a Google Mail. Probably any mail if you know the settings for it. So we're going to give our Hotmail a whirl, and then we're going to go home, we're going to come back into our linked inbox now. And we're going to click on Wendy Cairns' email, which has an attachment. And it is actually quite a nice email software as well. I mean, I quite like this Windows Phone thing so far, just from this. It would make me think. The calendar, as I said, will miss, but what it says in the tile, which is a double tile spread, is your status, so what's happening next, what's happening tomorrow, where it is, if you've entered all that. It tells you obviously the date as well. The only other things that are available in this trial are family, which is a tile, I think, I haven't looked at this, yeah, where you put all your family members' phone numbers, email addresses, you know, and the like. What's new? Okay, that's messed up, like some of the other stuff. And there's the group pictures, there's the picture albums, okay? And I think this is actually messed up, like, yeah, so this one's got the same buggy thing as the calendar did. So, we're going to have to end the video there. So this was Nathan from Ren and Nathan's Tech Stop. And thank you for watching.